Oh my goodness, it's vegetables, vegetables, vegetables everywhere. And I just love it. And I'm sure most of y'all have had a broccoli salad before. Well, this one is a little bit different. It's quick, it's easy. The only prep you have to do really is to cook your bacon until it's done and do your flowets. But you know, I have found bags of this already in florets at the grocery store. So if you want to go that way, you can. But we've got 6 cups of broccoli flowets. And we have our onions. We have and these are green onions, spring onion. We call them spring onions. And we've got our celery. And now we're gonna mix together our mayonnaise, and our honey, we're just gonna mix that up together real good. It's looking a lot like honey mustard, isn't it? And we need 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. And that half a lemon should yield us that. Oops, get back in that bowl. And raisins, I love raisins in it because they produce such a nice sweet flavor. So you can see how easy this is, a dumpity dump. Dumpity dump. And the recipe actually calls for sliced or slivered candied almonds, but we could not find any. But we did find some candy coated pecans. So that's what we're going to use. If you can't find one nut, get another nut. There's always some kind of nut out there. So we're just going to coat that real good. Want to make sure every bite of broccoli has some of those wonderful flavors in it. And you actually want to add your candied pecans right before serving. So at some point you would put this in the refrigerator and let all those wonderful flavors marry together. And then as you bring it out to serve it, you toss it with those wonderful candied pecans. So there you go. Look how simple and easy. And I'm lucky. I think every one of my grandchildren will eat broccoli, actually eat broccoli. So that's great. Sometimes it's hard to get the vegetables in them. You know what I mean? Now, the longer this has to sit, the better it's going to get. So I'm going to go ahead and, I can't help myself, y'all. I'm going to stir in my sweetened, sugared pecans. And between the pecans and the raisins, it's going to give it a wonderful sweetness. Maybe I'll feel like I'm eating dessert. You reckon? Okay. I'll make sure I get some of those raisins, and well, it appears I'm not getting any broccoli, y'all. So I've got to make sure I've got plenty of broccoli. Doesn't that look good, y'all? Look at that marinade all over it. This is so good. So fresh tasting. And excuse me, for y'all out there that maybe say, I don't really like raw broccoli, you could always drop this into boiling water for like 60 seconds, maybe 1 minute, and let it drain real good. And it will give you more of a not quite so raw flavor. So do it any way you want it, honey. Do it the way you like it. Love and best dishes, y'all. Hey, y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.